My last time addressing this. We do different things. We just spend $400 a week and we ain't doing that here. Let's have the money. Here's a great solo vacation. I came to Ball Out. Show you how the entrance. View a little different. Got a helipad over here. Whole deck. It's ball. Bathroom lit. Got the shower over here. Bedroom over here. Brush my teeth at, wash up, wash my hands. It's the bed. Got the jacuzzi over here. You know the vibe. See the view? The view beautiful. You see the ocean. It's only me here too. I got this shit for myself. Birthday type shit. Real luxury. We ain't gotta go to that bathroom. We're going straight to it. Go out here, see this? It's motherfucking boy. Pool over there. Ocean view. The view is beautiful. Get the whole ship. They gotta get the whole ship. Get the whole ship, man. That's some dirt, man. This ain't that $400 a week shit, man. I got another room. Hold on, I got an extra room. I don't even know what I mean. Extra room. I pull up, man. Extra room. Back. Tub. One bathroom. Another shower. Let's have bosses. Let's ball. Hold on, let me show y'all the pool directly.